Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce some of the news products on my right hand. These are pharmacy refrigerators. Let me give the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like a 23.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 22 inches. Also, the overall height of the unit is about like a 34 inches tall. So when we look around the units, we can see they do have a lockers in the center of the top, and also they do have a controllers to setting the temperatures, and they have a small digit displays on it. And also we do have a USB connectors. This is the reset buttons, and this is solid doors. When you open it, we can find they do have about like a 5 layers inside, but the front top is full depth. It is about like a 16 inches deep and 19 inches wide. And the overall for this access, it is about like a 25.5 inches tall. We can see they do have a big circling fan behind of the top. They do have a LED lights on the side right here. And the bottoms, they do have in the compressor system mounting at the bottom. So the bottom layer is really thickness. It is only about like a 5 inches deep. So when we close the door, see the side of the units, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers, model number with serial numbers on it, and cost sheet informations and diagram informations too. Looking the behind of the units, they have a power connections using standard 110 plugs, and also have a small digit displays connection gates right here. This will be the all demonstration information about the products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.